The Italian Navy is set to mark a historic moment on December 7, 2024, with the commissioning of the Trieste, its newest landing helicopter dock, LHD, and the largest combat vessel built in Italy since World War II. The commissioning ceremony will take place in Livorno, in the presence of Italian President Sergio Mattarella. As the successor to the Giuseppe Garibaldi, which was decommissioned in October 2024, the Trieste will assume a crucial role as the flagship of Italy's amphibious task group, marking a significant leap forward in Italy's naval capabilities. Measuring 245 meters in length and weighing in at 33,000 tons, the Trieste stands as the largest warship constructed by Italy in over 80 years. Built by Fincantieri, the vessel is a highly advanced amphibious assault ship designed to support a wide range of military and humanitarian operations. Its size and capabilities surpass those of Italy's previous flagship, the Giuseppe Garibaldi, and reflect a broader strategic shift in Italian naval priorities. The development of the Trieste began as part of the 2014 to 2015 naval program, with a construction contract awarded to Fincantieri in July 2015. The ship's steel cutting began in July 2017, with the keel laid in February 2018. After a series of delays, it is now set to enter service by the end of 2024. The ship's construction involved multiple shipyards and over 1,000 workers, further emphasizing its scale and importance. Initially expected to be delivered in 2022, the vessel has become the centerpiece of Italy's naval modernization efforts. The Trieste is equipped with an innovative cod-log propulsion system, which combines two Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbines, two-man diesel engines, and two electric motors. This system allows the ship to reach speeds of up to 25 knots and offers an impressive range of 7,000 nautical miles at 16 knots. Its dual-island design, which separates the ship's navigation and flight operations management, ensures smooth operations even in complex environments. The Trieste is designed to accommodate a range of aircraft, including the F-35B fighter jet, as well as various types of helicopters. Its expansive flight deck, measuring 230 meters long, features 9 landing spots and 2 elevators with a capacity of 42 tons each. The ship also boasts a large hangar and garage spaces, offering over 4,500 square meters for vehicles and equipment. A key feature of the Trieste is its floodable well deck, capable of housing landing craft, amphibious vehicles, and various logistical support elements, enabling a wide array of amphibious operations. Armament-wise, the ship is equipped with advanced defensive systems, including 376mm guns, remote-controlled 25mm turrets, and provisions for vertical launch systems capable of deploying ASTA missiles. It also features advanced radar and electronic warfare systems, ensuring that it can operate effectively in contested environments. The Trieste is designed to be a versatile platform, supporting a range of operations from amphibious assaults to humanitarian missions. With the ability to carry up to 1,064 personnel, including 600 embarked troops, it can serve as a powerful force projection tool. The ship's onboard medical facilities, including a hospital with 27 beds, operating rooms, and radiology services, are essential for both combat and disaster response operations. Furthermore, the ship's modular design allows for containerized medical units, which can be adapted based on mission requirements. Unlike Italy's previous aircraft carriers, the Trieste focuses on amphibious and multipurpose capabilities rather than solely on aviation. While the Giuseppe Garibaldi was primarily an anti-submarine warfare vessel, and the Cavour serves as an aircraft carrier, the Trieste integrates both air and amphibious operations, providing the Italian Navy with a truly multifunctional platform. The commissioning of the Trieste is part of a broader modernization effort aimed at enhancing the Italian Navy's capabilities. The Defense Multi-Year Planning Document, DPP, for 2024 to 2026 emphasizes countering emerging threats and modernizing platforms across all domains. Key components of this plan include the construction of new offshore patrol vessels, the acquisition of additional F-35B aircraft, and the enhancement of submarine capabilities, particularly through the U-212 near-future submarine program. The Trieste will also play a pivotal role in Italy's international collaborations, particularly within NATO. Its versatile design allows it to operate alongside NATO forces, and it will act as an alternate platform for V/STOL aircraft operations when the Cavour is unavailable. The ship's ability to conduct a variety of roles, including counter-piracy operations and humanitarian assistance, underscores its importance in Italy's naval strategy. The Trieste represents a new era for the Italian Navy, combining cutting-edge technology with multipurpose functionality. As the largest and most advanced vessel in Italy's fleet, it will enhance the Navy's capabilities in both military and humanitarian operations. With its combination of aviation, amphibious, and medical support roles, the Trieste is positioned to be a key asset for Italy in its defense strategy and in supporting international peacekeeping and humanitarian efforts.